Alright guys, we'll check if you wanna see yung mga kotse nila. Ito, we're going to check their cars para ayan. So these are the cars of some of the cars of the members of Toyota Camry Elite. Ayan. Ito. Diba? So if you have a Camry, check them out. Check nyo yung mga builds nila. They have different builds pero ang common denominator is they're all clean. Oh, may mga naka-air shoes, may grabe. Tapos ito, I think this is parang basta iba-ibang generation, pwede kayong sumali if you have a Camry. Yan, check nyo lang yung page nila and join them. Check mag-message lang kayo, they're open to all members. Hey sir, ano yung mga dinadrive niyo para si Sir Mike muna?
30, XB30.
Nandito sir, dala mo.
Nandun sa harapan.
Nandun sa kabila.
Medyo madulas.
Okay, mamaya ikutan natin. Okay sir,
3.5 na Camry, XB40.
nandun sa likod din. Okay guys, mamaya puntahan natin. Sir,
Hindi siya, 3.5.
3.5, nandun din sa kabila. Okay, mamaya ikutan. Okay Sir Juni.
Yan.
XB30. Sir Juni, pakita mo daw.
Asan sir? Let's check. Ayan. Sir, aling dito?
Kasi naka-air shoes.
Ito!
Stock, all stock.
All stock sir.
All stock.
All stock ba to? Guys, mag-comment nga kayo kung all stock to.
Stock.
Sir, ito naka-air shoes to.
Yes, sir.
Sino sir anong air shoes mo sir?
Customized fit.
Customized Fits. Oh, shoutout sa Customized Fits. Tapos ito sir, matagal na sa'yo.
Hindi. 3 years lang. Bulok to na nakuha ko.
So ni-restore mo na lang siya.
Ginawa project car.
Alright.
So I got it para more than a year na nakabilat sa araw. Punit na yung mga ano. I had to revive.
Alright.
So yun nga, like I said, I chose a 330, XB30, 3040 para maiba lang ako sa kanila.
Okay.
Lahat sila,
Oo nga eh.
40, no? Iba lang ako. Kaya
Okay.
I chose a 30.
So this is a 30.
Nag-stock to JDM.
JDM.
So TRD ako. So far, ako lang ang naka-JDM setup sa XB30. Sa grupo ng company.
Okay.
Lahat yan Euro eh.
Euro. Oo nga. Yeah, I noticed. Yeah.
So, naka-Toms ako.
Okay.
Hindi pala.
Sabi, ganda, no?
So, para maiba.
Para maiba. Sir, pero this is a 4-cylinder.
Yes, sir.
Okay. May 6-cylinder din ito, no?
Meron.
Ang ganda, oh. Sir, rig paint pa ba to?
Yes. Ay, hindi na talaga.
Hindi na.
Na metallic silver ko siya.
Ang ganda, no? Grabe, naka-air shoes.
Setup sounds.
Naka-setup yung sounds mo, sir.
Yun, bago lang yung setup ko sounds.
Okay. Sino, sir, nag-setup ng sounds?
Kay Ojonel tayo.
Ojonel, alright. Ano, sir, kinabit mo?
Focals in front, 6x9 kicker, and then tawag dito, Solo X.
Solo X.
Solo X na 12.
So, pwede ba makita?
Sure.
Oh, guys, check na rin natin. Oh my God, ang linis!
Clean and simple lang ang setup natin.
Grabe! Sir, ang ganda.
Tapos may mga ilaw naman din yan. Andun yung modules ng air shoes, if you can see. Although
Okay. Oo, yun nga,
Kasi at
yeah.
night, purple siya at night. Nag-glow, mas pansin at night. Tapos all the naka-LED naman.
Tapos ito, sir, who did this? Ojonel. Yung pati woodworks and all.
All the woodworks.
Oh my God, wow.
Setup. Ito yung pinaship ko pa from the US. Kasi,
Which is Solo X, no, sir?
Yes.
Is this the same with Solo Body?
same sila, kicker, but this
Kicker.
is yung brand new na model na
Okay,
kicker.
alright. Oh.
Yung Solo X nila.
Yes.
So this one is supposed to be stronger.
No, for some.
Yung L7 kasi is nasa mga 1,200 RMS. Ito na sa 2,000 na.
Okay.
So this is more cleaner, stronger.
Grabe, ang linis. Every man's dream to eh. If you're a car guy, you wanna, as much as possible, as clean as this.
Yeah, I
mas
wanted
order.
something simple,
Oo.
but not too overdressed.
Oh, yeah,
I could have
true.
put 2, but sabi ko, 1 would be enough, then I want it clean lang. Simple.
Correct, yeah. Clean and simple.
Clean and simple, pero clear naman siya and everything.
It's nice. Grabe, ito rin yung ganito rin yung gusto kong setup sa kotse if ever. Not over, yeah.
It's just like having a house, you want something like, di ba, medyo, how do you call it?
Minimalist. Oh, yeah. Parang Japanese, sir, no?
Simple, but,
Yeah, may dating eh.
Yeah.
True.
like I said, yung mugs ko. Before, naka-20s ako, Euro setup din ako before.
This is 22s na, sir.
No, this is only 19. Pero TRD
Hindi
yan.
lang siya.
TRD yan.
Oh, which is TRD nga.
Yeah.
Oh.
So I used to use 20, so Euro din ako before.
Okay.
Until I thought of, when I found this, CDM nga.
Hmm,
So
yeah.
now I just found out from Mike, among all mga grupo here na TCE, ako lang pala ang JDM setup.
Kasi most of them are naka-euros eh. Oh, yan guys.
Yes, sila, look at their man.
Naka-euro.
Naka-euro. So at least something different. Ako.
Correct.
Proud to say na at least ako JDM. I'm the only JDM guy.
One of TCE.
The only JDM.
Only JDM.
Sa TCE.
Alright. Sir, this body ba, mahirap ba siya i-maintain o is it the same maintenance as the rest of the other Camrys model?
I guess the same lang naman.
Same lang din.
Kasi even with the suspension, it's the same lang sa kanila.
Same lang din. Even the engine ba, sir? It's the same?
With the engine,
This is a 2005.
2005.
Alright.
Yeah, I can show the engine.
Ayan. So let's check the engine. Well, okay lang yan, sir. So marumi na ba? Marumi ba yan?
Oo eh.
Sabagay. Oh, knowing TC
Hindi ko
guys.
nag-inis yung part pa na yun eh.
Pero this is yan. Ang laki ng makina. This is a 4-cylinder, no, sir?
Yes, sir.
Oh. Kaya, sir, mileage?
Nasa mga
90. Very nice.
90,000.
Go to garage mo, sir, in terms of maintenance. You have a go to garage that you go to?
Maintained.
Self-maintained. Yeah.
Self-maintained. Medyo usip ko siya. Like doing it myself.
Yeah. Oo nga naman.
Yun lang. Permit.
It's time permits.
Busy rin tayo. Time, I do everything myself.
Yeah.
And ito nang lumot na siya.
Grabe, ang ganda. Linis, oh. Ganda. Ang ganda ng shape.
Yeah, yun nga, I prefer this kasi ito, it's nice. More on sporty looking XB40 na.
Okay, yeah.
Medyo VIP pa to.
Oh, well, yan. Tama.
Mas VIP look siya. Kasi
Yeah.
pag when naka-20s na Euro ako, mas more of VIP look siya.
Correct. Oo nga, very VIP. Especially kung white to or beige. Oo, alam ko, ang daming...
Kasi medyo naging sporty.
Oo.
Sporty and 40 and up.
Yes, so...
Medyo nag-change na ito naman. So I opted, sabi ko, I could have bought a 40 or I wanted to be medyo
Medyo late, yeah. Sure.
Ito naman ako sa kanya.
Correct. Alright, sir. Advice mo for doon sa mga gustong bumili naman ng Camry.
Camry.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, for those who are interested in, owning a Camry, common question always is, malakas ba siya sa gas?
True.
So, if you want to have a Camry, huwag mong isipin ng gas because the comfort that it will give you is talagang out of this world. Maganda talaga.
Oh, okay.
Pag naka-Camry ka. Kasi if you want an economical, then you have to go down na.
Oh, yeah. Yung mga eco car.
The luxury of having a Camry, don't think of the gas.
Oh,
Yun lang
okay.
yun.
Oh, and it's the...
Camry-wise, TCE, lahat tulungan dito in
Sure.
terms of sparks or whatever.
I agree.
And lahat yan, mababait.
Correct, true.
Pagtulog.
Ay,
Mabait naman ngayon pagtulog.
mapagtulog.
I started out, all stock lang to.
Yan
Binipon
na.
niyo ako.
Nabudol ka na.
Nabudol ako ng mga yan. Pero hindi, TCE masayang grupo.
True, I agree. Guys,
I stuck with it. I used to be with another group. But when I met these guys, dito na ako, loyal ako.
sobra solid.
Masaya dito.
Solid. True.
Ganun. Pag nag-Camry ka, huwag mo isipin ng gas.
Oo. Isipin mo yung comfort that
Yeah.
makukuha mo.
Kapalit nun yung comfort,
True.
ibang klase.
Yeah. You get what you paid for. Okay. All right. So, Juni, thank you very much. It's really an honor
Yes, sir.
featuring you finally.
Thank you din.
Thank you. Event, sir. Okay, so just in case gusto nyo makita yung Camry, so on October 25 at ATC.
If in case,
Mm,
October 25, ATC,
yeah,
Grand EB ng TCEN.
correct.
You'll see them all there.
Yes, sir.
You'll meet them all.
Yeah. Oh,
Nice
hindi
guys.
lang to, konti lang to.
Yes,
Sobrang
nice guys. Tulog.
true. All right. Sir Juni, thank you very much.
Thank you
It's
very
really an honor. Thank you. Have a great day. God bless. Like and subscribe this channel so we could feature more inspiring gentlemen like Sir Juni here on our channel.
Joms TV.
Thank you very much. God bless. Have a great day. Bye. Hey guys, sobrang saya ng grupo na to. Kaya sumama kayo dito.